How's it going, everybody? The birds are buzzing, the bees are chirping, and it's just a wonderful day in LA today that, I feel like it's almost kicking off springtime. It's kicking off the start of something great. Something in this new year that's going to be wild. I don't know. It's just been a good day. I started off my day editing with Michael Henry. We're almost done with a sketch that I think he might be posting this week, maybe next week. But you'll see that soon. And, just excited to see, what the rest of the day has in store. It's like a beautiful, 78 degree day here. So I apologize if you're in some of that cold winter weather that's been going on around the United States and potentially around the world. But the one thing I will share with you real quick is something right here that I just found is this beautiful stove. Guys, you could take this home today. Just swing on down by Cloverdale and pick yourself a free stove today. Still works too. You just got to get your own little racks right here. Only just a little bit of mouse poop in there. No big deal. That's easy to clean. But guys, regardless of all that, I have a sketch series actually that I've been filming, directing, editing with Zach Noe Towers and Darren Bluestone. These are two comedian writers that, hired me to direct and shoot and edit their web series. And we just finished yesterday. We shot the last sketch yesterday. The 10 out of 10 sketches that we shot. And it was really funny. And now I just got to put them together, which I think is always, I've talked about this before, but editing can definitely be one of the most tedious aspects of all the shooting. And, that can become cumbersome, especially when you have 10 sketches you have to shoot on, that you have to edit on. And I don't know. It becomes that point where you're just trying to still want to make it funny, but you also want to, keep the story the same, but also you want to add in your comedic value because these are comedy sketches. So, it can be a lot, but I'm excited to kind of chop them up and really go for it. And, hopefully when that drops, you guys watch that. Oh, and last but not least, please vote on the Queerties Hot Homo Summer. That is up for Best Digital Entertainment. I think the link is below in the info, and I have the link in my community post, so definitely check that out. And hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day, a wonderful week. I know last week I had said I was going to do the McDonald's mukbang, the land, air, and sea sandwich, and that's still on the docket. Probably will drop on Monday. I'm going to get it soon. And to say I'm excited about it is an understatement. I'm very excited. Because who doesn't love McDonald's and their brand new menu that they're coming out with. So go to McDonald's today is what I want to leave you off with. But hopefully you guys have a wonderful day. Let me know how your day is going in the comments. And I wish you all well. And hopefully you enjoy the new Michael Henry sketch that's dropping soon. And hopefully you enjoy this web series that I'm editing on. And hopefully you just enjoy YouTube and the other channels that you guys watch. Cheers, folks. I'm off into the sun.